Welcome back to our channel. Watercolor nail art with gel polish offers a stunning fusion of delicate hues and artistic flair, allowing for intricate designs and vibrant shades that last longer than traditional nail lacquer. Here are 6 captivating watercolor nail art designs using gel polish that are sure to elevate your manicure game. 1. Pastel Dreamland. Start with a soft, neutral base coat of gel polish. Once cured, dab small drops of pastel gel colors onto the nail, using a fine-tipped nail art brush or dotting tool. Gently blend the colors together with a clean brush or sponge to create a dreamy watercolor effect. Finish with a glossy top coat to seal in the design and add shine. 2. Floral Fantasy. Begin with a light-colored gel base coat and allow it to cure. Using a thin nail art brush, delicately paint floral shapes in various shades of gel polish, resembling watercolor petals. Add leaves and stems for a natural touch. To enhance the depth and dimension of the design, lightly blend the colors with a clean brush. Seal with a top coat for a glossy finish. 3. Ocean Waves. Apply a gradient of blue gel polish to create a base resembling the ocean. Once cured, use a thin brush to add white and turquoise accents, mimicking the gentle movement of waves. Softly blend the colors together to achieve a watercolor effect. Finish with a clear gel top coat to enhance the depth of the design and provide lasting shine. 4. Sunset Horizon. Start with a warm-toned gel base coat representing the sunset sky. After curing, layer hues of orange, pink, and purple gel polish horizontally across the nail, blending them together to create a seamless transition. Using a fine brush, add silhouettes of palm trees or birds for a whimsical touch. Seal with a top coat to preserve the vibrant colors. 5. Whimsical Galaxy. Begin with a dark gel base coat resembling the night sky. Once cured, apply swirls of vibrant gel colors such as purple, blue, and pink to create a galaxy-like effect. Use a thin brush or sponge to blend the colors together softly, replicating the ethereal beauty of outer space. Finish with a layer of clear gel top coat to seal in the design and add dimension. 6. Abstract Watercolor Splatter. Apply a light-colored gel base coat and allow it to cure. Using a thin brush or toothpick, splatter drops of various gel colors across the nail in a random pattern. Gently tap the nail to encourage the colors to blend and create a watercolor effect. Add metallic accents or glitter for extra dimension. Seal with a glossy top coat to complete the look. Remember to cure each layer of gel polish properly to ensure longevity and durability. With these 6 watercolor nail art designs, you can showcase your creativity and elevate your manicure to a whole new level of sophistication and style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nail tutorials, tips, and trends. Until next time, bye.